Hi there, this is Azizul Maksud. Today I am with a very much basic one project. It will be not a big project, but this is basic and fundamental for day-to-day workload. Yes, deploy EKS cluster with shell scripting, then install Prometheus and Grafana with Helm. So normally we deploy EKS cluster with YAML file, but today I will show you how to deploy with shell scripting. Because in the interview sometimes you may be asked like that, how to deploy with shell scripting. And guys, in my GitHub repo, if you come here DevOps 0 to hero, then you can get my almost all the projects I think, or I'm uploading frequently now. Today's one is here, EKS with shell scripting and Prom Grafana. See here. So after coming here, this is for docx, so you have to download the raw file like this. It's coming here, raw file. Then you have to open. They are like that way. I'm showing you. So it's coming all the things here. Okay. So you have to come like that way. And the paste repo has lots of things if you come, but today I'll use this one, paste repo. First of all, I have to create the bastion launch, bastion taking Ubuntu. Slow down. Default one, default VPC, SG security group. Okay, I'm good with this one. So mobile external I have to take public IP. This is the mobile external. Session, Control V, username Ubuntu, private key. I have used this one. It looks good. So first of all, I have to take the from paste repo, this all the guys I'm taking from here. So this is the AWS I have to install. First unzip I have to install, then zip files, then kubectl installation, ekctl installation. So this is the basic things I have to do. Yes, it's done. Now I have to install Helm. So installing Helm from helm.sh, then docs, then intro, then install. So it should be I'm using the Debian Ubuntu, so I'm taking this one from here. So it should be Helm installed. Yes, Helm is installed here. So Control L. Now our shell scripting for EKSCTL is here. First EKSCTL create cluster. So in the YAML file we are going like that, EKSCTL create cluster, then -f, then the cluster.yaml, like that going. So without making cluster.yaml, see the next line, /, the name monitoring cluster, then version 125 is given, region US East 1, like that, and it's 125 given, but I think I need to give 130 like that. EKS cluster 130 I'm giving. Then US East 1 monitoring nodes, so node group name, node type T3 medium, node 3. So this is the desired, and this is the mean, and this is the max. Then managed. So what is the difference with shell and YAML? Here in the shell we are not writing the desired one. See here, just nodes. This is the desired, but in the YAML we have to write like desired, minimum, maximum, min, max, like that. So this is the small changes like this. So this is the real game here. I think it's not so much hard for you guys. So it will take at least 15 minutes. After having everything good, the cluster, I'll come back. Yes guys, it looks okay. So Control L, kubectl get node or nodes, same thing. Yes, so our desired was 3, right? So 3, all 3 are ready here. Okay, so let's go here first. Is it really ready or not? Yes, so without bastion, 1 2 3 names are monitoring cluster, monitoring node, and let's see the EKS. This is the monitoring cluster EKS name. Okay, so here is the add-ons is 3 here: VPC, CNI, and core DNS, kubeproxy for worker node, and core DNS and VPC, CNI. These all are mandatory, these 3. Okay, we are good here. So this VPC CNI has created our VPC. We can see the VPC here. One specific VPC should be for this one. Yes, this is the VPC. EKSCTL monitoring cluster. Always I see the resource map first. This is the resource map. So here 1A and 1F, 2 edges, route table, cluster node. This is the route table, public and private. 2 private here, 1 public, the route tables. Okay, so this is the EKSCTL. This is for private, this is for private, this is for public. It's good. Now I have to authenticate. That means AWS EKS region US East 1 update kubeconfig. That means I'm just attaching with EKSCTL which one I have created. Namespace is this one. So monitoring cluster. Yes, this is added and given that context. So after added, it given the context. Okay, so I have to install Prometheus Grafana, right? So Helm repo Prometheus Grafana. Then I have to create the monitoring also. This is the commands: Helm repo add Prometheus community. This is the location. Then Helm repo update. Then kubectl create namespace monitoring. All 3 I am passing together. Okay, it looks like monitoring is created. So last one, kubectl namespace monitoring. So let's see here, kubectl get ns namespace. So monitoring, here is the monitoring, and others 3 is default kube node list, kube public, kube system. Okay, we can see now here kubectl get pod monitoring. There will be no pod here. Get pod, it should be ns namespace monitoring. Nothing here, but we can see the kube config is kube system. Actually we can see the kube system. The node has 3 core DNS, kubeproxy. So core DNS and kubeproxy, these 2 guys are showed here. I'm showing here. Where is that means the add-ins core DNS and kubeproxy. So these guys are running on this pod, core DNS, kubeproxy. Okay, guys, I'm showing you everything very much granular way. Now Helm install Prometheus. First of all, I have to install the Prometheus, then Grafana. So normally we are installing with YAML file, but today I'm installing with shell scripting. Okay, so Helm install Prometheus community / Prometheus, then /. Always keep in mind, backward slash is for to go the next line. Okay, see here, next line, namespace monitoring, next line, set server dot service dot type load balancer. So Prometheus Grafana, both guys need the separate load balancer. So set alarm alert manager dot enable true. So by default push gateway is false, I'm giving here. Then server dot global scrap interval 15 second, server dot global dot scrap timeout 10 second. Okay, so this is for Prometheus, enter. Okay, it looks created. Okay, now let's see. Yes guys, it looks container creating for Prometheus alert manager and Prometheus server, this number. Others all are already running. Let's try one more time. Yes, it's ready and running one by one. See? Okay, so yes, then it should be a load balancer for Prometheus. So this is the DNS number. Let's try this one. Yes, man, feeling good. It's so tough, man. If not coming everything all together, it's really tough. So we can see also service from here. Get ports instead of ports, SBC. Oh, my bad. Get at SBC. So here service has been given. See the number 817. It should be here. See, 817. See here, 817. That means this number, DNS number, we got from the service also. If we take from here, then also it's working. Sometimes if you don't see in the load balancer, application load balancer, you should come here like this way. Yes guys, Control L. Now this is the time for Grafana. Same way Grafana, I have to add in the Helm. So this is the command, Helm repo add Grafana. This is the location, then update. It's coming. Yeah, it's good now. Happy helming. Now I have to install Helm using the shell, right? Today no more YAML files. So this is Helm install Grafana slash Grafana backward slash, that means next line namespace monitoring, set admin password equal admin 123, set service dot type load balancer. So load balancer also we will get one more from here. Okay, it looks good. So let's see the service for monitoring. We will get the Grafana one also. Earlier was 817 for Prometheus, this is 072 for Grafana. Let's see our pods. Pod same. So Prometheus has lots of pods, but Grafana is just one pod. Grafana is a dashboard, you know. So why Prometheus has lots of pods? Because Prometheus actually works as the database of Grafana. Prometheus is storing all the collected data inside Prometheus, and Grafana just taking from the Prometheus. Okay, we can take from here also for Grafana, but let's see the load balancer. That's good also. Load balancer, here is two load balancers, so this is the new one. Okay, let's go there. This is the DNS number, load balancer DNS number. Oh man, Grafana has come. So username is admin. Password we have given admin123 when you create it, right? Yes, never. Oh la la, man. Grafana has come. So login to Grafana is done. Now add the data source. So configuration first. So this is the data source. Okay, select Prometheus. Data source is Prometheus. This is the interview question, man. Please keep in mind that add data source. Data source I am connecting with a Prometheus. Now the Prometheus service URL. What is the service URL? Prometheus service URL. This is the Prometheus service URL, right? You can take from here, or if you have any confusion, just go here, Prometheus. This is the service URL. Okay. Control C, you can go like that way, or paste this one, because that one has the query also. Okay, this is the Prometheus service URL. Now I'm going to, so always URL start with HTTP, right? HTTP://. Okay, so HTTP headers, everything looks good. Authentication, advanced setting. Okay, everything making same. Save and test. Successfully queries the. Next you can start a visualize data building dashboard. Yes, so here data source is Prometheus and query option is like that. You can add any query, and here is metrics. We can take the metrics. Which one we can take? Lots of metrics are here, so we can take one metric, anyone. Then we can query the label, instance, job, result. Either way you can give there. Enter the value. Okay, like this way. Run query. So query running, you can see like this way the query has come here. Same way you can change metric explorer, aggregation. First of all, see the aggregation here. Select, run query. So when query is running, then it's coming the exact query. This is called PromQL. Okay guys, so this is the final demo for this project. Hopefully it will be helpful for you guys, but you have to do hands-on lots of, and you can get this one in my repository, DevOps 0 to Hero. You can get it here, so I'll give you the link. Okay, so you can see everything is there. Thank you very much. Have a good day.